Welcome back to another crypto video. Would you look at that, everybody? Would you just look at that? Look at the candle. Look at where it went down to, everybody. Oh my god, would you just look at that candle? Oh my god. So guys, we came down to that level in which we were talking about in our previous video, and yeah, like with Bitcoin and other coins, I mean, look, we literally hit the golden ratio. Like, these lines are not coincidences. They are really magical patterns. So basically, we had a wick low down to this Fibonacci retracement, sorry. So if you did have a buy order set in, you would have scooped that up and you'd now be in a nice juicy profit. But realistically, none of us are going to be able to enter, at that market price at a particular time before it's all already happened. And also, guys, please, just a bit of information. I had a look at my YouTube subscribers. 97% of people are not subscribing who are watching, so I'd love it if some more of you can please subscribe to the channel because I know you guys are watching and I know I'm getting more unique viewers day by day. So please sub to the channel. It's free content, free add value to your life, and we can look at altcoins together. So what's happened here? We've had a huge Bitcoin. I want to say we've had a correction, really. We had like a good 20-30% correction. We had our greed phase over here. We had this massive impulse wave to the upside. And yeah, profits have been taken and we had a massive sell-off. So let's just take a look at the daily chart, to be honest, guys. If we just jump into Reefy. So Reef Finance did trade up to 0.0299. It broke the neckline of the cup and handle with the ascending triangle, like we said. And yeah, it did correct back to 0.618. Well, actually, that would be slightly incorrect because it would be measured from here. Nope, nope, nope. It's pretty spot on. Okay, so basically we need to look at the bearish and bullish scenario because these levels are now once again resistances. Oh my god. So we're kind of going back in time here, but just because we produce this low, it's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, we can still kind of trade this way. What if we come up and bust through this 0.2191 level, and then we come back up and retest 0.026 as resistance? I mean, it's definitely a possibility. So let's not feel too fearful. Let's kind of wait for the market to move and see which direction it wants to move, because we did have a very, very large sell-off, and that was a huge correction. You saw the size of the wick of Bitcoin. So let's just have a look at some of the price targets in which are the upcoming resistances. We basically have 0.023 that we need to keep our eyes open for, but the golden level is going to be at 0.025 USDT. Bearish scenario, we could potentially break down even further, and I think we would probably find support around 0.015. That's where I think we could possibly find some support. But just because this has happened doesn't mean we're now going to come all the way down to like 0.007, because that would probably confirm that the bull market is pretty much over. And I feel like the bull market is far, far from over just yet. I don't think we're hitting all-time highs this year with Bitcoin. However, we need to just keep our eye out for these levels because that's when we need to reaccumulate. Basically, guys, I will be focusing on my reaccumulation at around, can I even find my good old rectangle? There we go. So fellow Reefians, basically around this level is, in my opinion, undervaluation, and that's when I will be definitely looking to reaccumulate if we do get back down to these wonderful low prices. I miss these low prices, don't you? Don't you guys? When things were easy. So yeah, clearly, we're not fully oversold on the RSI on the daily time frame, like we did have over here. So in order to come down that low, we probably need to see a greater sell-off, but we are seeing a bit of a bounce on the RSI over there. Doesn't always mean it's going to come back up, but yeah, let's just sift through these other time frames. So we're very oversold here. So if you did buy over here, you'd probably now be around 15% up. If we do check out the 1 hour time frame, yeah, pretty much we were oversold over there as well. and a bit of momentum is picking back up. So we're back over the 21 EMA over here. However, on the 4-hour time frame, we're still far from. So technically, it's bearish, but it could also be a fantastic time to enter a trade because we could trade sideways here, or we could literally just come back up and retest this EMA. So usually, actually, in an uptrend, placing trades below the 21 EMA is usually a good thing to do. Like you can see here, great timing. Here, good timing. Um, Here, obviously, good timing. And if we even zoom all the way back, like any time you come back under the EMA, like here, in an uptrend, it's usually a fantastic time to, potentially place a long position. So that's what I think is going to happen with refinance. We are only sitting at a very small 282 million market capital. I think this has the potential for 1 billion. I really do. So that's why I'm going to give this a target of simply, well, we're sitting at 2 cents. I think we're definitely going to see a 10-cent Reef finance at some point. I'm not saying this year, but at some point, possibly next year, a 10 cents Reef finance. And the reason I think is because simply we have a very low market cap, low market dominance, but we get such good, in terms of the trading volume to the market capital volume ratio, we're really seeing a lot of interest in this coin. It's got some solid fundamentals that really catalyze the price. Go check out the website Reef Finance. It's a great one. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen with Reef Finance. I'd be very, very keen to hear back from your thoughts. And yeah, stay crypto safe out there, guys, and stay happy. Take care. Thanks for checking in.